Hey fam, thank you for tuning back into the channel. Today we're going to be having an unboxing, and plus we're going to be doing the big giveaway questionnaire today. Alright, I hope you guys been watching the videos, because everything's going to be based on the videos that I already created. Okay, alright, and how we're going to do it is you guys going to have to email me at VELDOGGSKITCHEN at gmail.com. It should be in the description. Alright, that's how you email me the answers to it's going to be like a 3-part question. Alright, probably it's going to be like 2 questions per the 3 parts of it. Okay, alright, so and stay tuned in for unboxing. Alright, so if you guys want to know what's in this box, stay tuned in for that. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it real quick. First question is going to be, what video is it when my grandson gave his whole name? Okay, so I need you to answer what video that was, the title of that video. Alright, the other question is to that part 1 is, what is my grandson's whole name? Okay, so remember that. So the first one is, what video when my grandson gave his whole name? Second question is to that same video, what is his whole name? Alright, that's one. The second one is, what's the name of the video when I said people tried to buy my recipes for $200 to $300? What video is that? I repeat that. What the name of the video when I said people tried to buy my recipe for $200 to $300? Alright, that's the first question for part 2. Second one is, and where can you find this at, which is that recipe? Alright, so that's the second part. I'll say it again. And where can you find this at? That recipe at, okay? So pay attention now. I made it so easy for you because everything is based on the same video. So there's gonna be like 3 different videos. Okay, I'll try to make it super easy for you guys. Alright, the third and final question is, what video when I put red vinegar to boost up this item a little bit? Okay, it's gonna be in the video. I already did the research. Okay, so I'm gonna say it again. What video when I put red wine vinegar to boost it up a little bit in that particular thing? Okay, all right, to boost it up. That's the thing. I'm giving you a hint. All right. Alright, the second question to the part 3 is, and what's the name of my first channel? What's the name of my first channel? Alright, so those are the 3 questions you got to come up with. And the first people that hit me up is going to win a big prize. I'm going to have 3 winners, okay? And I'm not playing with you guys. I got the bread. I'm gonna go give it to you guys like in the form of like a credit card, not a credit card, but like prepaid card or something like that. So I'm not lying to you guys. All right, I'm going to pay you. So make sure you give me your address where I can send this the gift card to you. So I already got the money ready for you. All right. Alright, so you guys got that? There's going to be 3 winners. Alright, I'm only going to, please do not put it down in the description, because you're going to just open it up for someone else to win it. Alright, so don't do that. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and stuff like that. I'm trying to bring something new to the game, but I'm trying to get to like 2,000 right now. That's when I'm let you guys know who the winner is going to be when I get to that 2,000 mark. All right. So make sure you email me at VELDOGGSKITCHEN@gmail.com, and it will be in the description, okay? So, alright, so you guys ready for the unboxing? Let's get right to it. Now before I do this unboxing, I just want to give a shout out to my homeboy. And you know who you are, right? No, you don't. Anyway, JB Barbecue and Guns. So I got this from him. I even purchased it off his channel. So kudos to you, bro. Much love to you. Alright, so here's the unboxing. It's a shitload of seasoning. Yes, shitload of seasoning. And it's a big box right here. Know if you guys can see that? I'll bring it up closer to you guys. Alright, so what we're going to be doing with this stuff, I'm going to tell you what's all in here. But do go to JB channel, he go more into it. I like how he did it, so I went ahead and purchased me some. I always make up my own seasoning, but hey, it don't hurt to try somebody else's seasoning. So first one we got up on deck is the all shit seasoning. That's what that is. All shit seasoning. Alright. The second one is chicken shit. This is chicken shit. Seasoning. Alright. Third one is some good shit. Alright. Yeah, I was laughing when he was showing me this stuff. He tell you what all this stuff goes good with. So just go check him out. I'm just showing you what I purchased. Fourth one is no shit. Okay? This is no shit. The season is no shit. Alright. Next one is some special shit. That's what that is. This is some special shit seasoning. Alright? Yeah, I'm gonna try this stuff. Let me see what they got on the back. So I should have my glasses on, that's where I could have showed you what it all good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let you, that's why I want you to go check out JB. He tell you what all this stuff go good with, okay? And we're gonna be trying this. I'm sure gonna use it to try it. This one is some bullshit. That's right, bullshit seasoning. Okay, that's the final and last one. And this seasoning cost me about $50-something. So I'm definitely gonna try them out. And thank you, JB Barbecue and Guns. Go check him out. Until next time, guys. So please watch the video so you can win this money. 3 winners. Okay. Now the top winner gonna get, the first person that come in gonna get the most. Okay, then we're gonna break it down, and then we're gonna break it down even further. But trust me, guys, if you guys stay with me, I promise you, as we grow, the prize will get bigger. Okay, there's no doubt about it. All right, so I just want to bring back or add back to the community. You know what I'm saying? Which is y'all, the family. You know, if I'm making bread, you gonna make bread or something. All right, you gonna get some something. You may get a laptop. You know, you never know. With me, you may win one of these. You know, this is a laptop. You know. So yeah. Make sure you guys watch the videos. No doubt about it, because I'm telling you, we about to get it in. All right. So I prefer, what I really prefer to do, I rather, instead of promoting to another, you know, like another company or something to promote my channel, I'd rather promote it through you guys. You guys have been my ride and die. And I'm not just sitting here and talking no bullshit. You heard me? But no, it's for real though. I appreciate you guys so much. So make sure you go over there and check out JB Barbecue and Guns. And make sure you look up them videos. Like I said, the first person wins, they're going to win some bread. You know, we're gonna give it to you in a Visa card or something like that, prepaid card or whatever, and then make sure you send me your address so I can send it to you. All right. So, saying that to say this, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen, and I'm out.